Okay. If I had to pick between an elephant or giraffe, I would be the giraffe. Well, I mean, I can grow a longer neck, and I can reach places I never thought to reach, or see places I never thought I would see. Can you believe it? Better than a long trunk. Alright, and for the second animal, let's see. Hyena or panther? I gotta go with the hyena. I've been told that my laughter sounds like a hyena before. I think before at work? Nah. Most definitely at home. That was a good one too. It does sound like it. Just don't get me going, right? Well, you ever heard how it sounds like? Once I get going, Konya. So, don't start, please. Okay, I'll stop. Alright, your turn. Would you rather have a fish body and human legs, or human body and fish half? I can't decide. I'm not a huge fan of large bodies of water. But if I had to pick, it would be human body and lower fish half. At least I can see through the water. That's a plus. Not relying on scuba diving gears is a major drawback for me. Just too afraid. He says Taka Piek now. Are you doing alright, dear? Good. If you want, you can scoot closer to me. I won't bite this time. Okay. Are you at least bundled up? Well, let me know if you need one of my blankets, okay? I'm always happy to share with you. Thanks again for this camping trip. This is even better than hanging out at your place. I just don't know how you come up with these great areas. What's your secret? Have you been here before? Did you scout the place? Oh, so it was a school trip then. I never went camping before. Fishing and hiking, but never this. Thanks again. Ha. Here's your coffee, Kohanya. Fresh with mocha, caramel, and 2 cream. Now, be careful. Oh. And you see, you just put your tongue. Oh, what am I gonna do with you? You gotta wait for it next time, okay? Just blow on it. What are you thinking? I don't like to look at that face. This can't be good. Roleplay? Roleplay as what? Or what do you want me to roleplay as? You can't be serious, right? Ah, you serious? Okay, what would you have me do? You want me to pretend that I'm an obsessive boyfriend? Jeez, I wish you were kidding. I have seen some of these videos of, never mind. So, an obsessive boyfriend, Prokofny? Any particular topic you want it to be? Because I was hoping it would be wholesome, yes? Good. Alright. Give me a moment. Oh, just look at you. You look so precious and defenseless right now, dear. I hope you love the new me because once we get back to your place, I ain't changing back, even if you ask. Maybe we'll run away. We can go up to the mountains of northern Canada. Somewhere, maybe in Australia, surrounded by all the dangerous animals. Or we can go to Transylvania. There, you'll be my queen. It will take some time though, so don't get ahead of yourself. I know you'll be looking forward to this. Whether you accept it or not, you can never deny fate, Kalanya. You know it as well as I. This is your true calling, your destiny. But because of your behavior, I'll let you see and talk to your family. Despite my stingy nature, I won't get in the way of that, since you've been so good to me. Can you show me your neck, dear? You smell terrific. I can hear your heart rust too. I don't know if you're terrified or overjoyed. I'm sorry if I'm making you nervous. Oh, once we get back to your place, remember to close and lock your windows. I hate for anyone to interfere with our love affair or would try to steal you. I'll take care of the doors, don't worry about that. Oh, can I stop, please? I can see the twinkles in your eyes, but I can't take it anymore. I'm losing it. Oh, you don't want to stop then? Alright, you asked for it. Prepare for a barrage of kissing attacks. Alright. Just the end. Hold on. There. Maybe I can be a jealous boyfriend next time, giving you a strong silent treatment when you come home late, or just asking you where you've been all day after work. Or maybe you can be the honorary girlfriend. Oh, just don't go too crazy for me, please. I hate to be locked in chains. Overall, it's a good thing that I'm not overly jealous. I do, but not like unhinged, babe. Am I obsessive over you? Hell yeah, I drew over you. The worst I can do is suck their blood, but I rather have yours, cause it's magnificent. Actually, this is perfect for another, well, one more. Would I rather? Would I rather drink the blood of the person hitting on my girlfriend? Or go drink from an angry full-blooded deer. I would pick the deer. Well, I already told you why I wouldn't drink them earlier. But I definitely know that deer isn't going down without a fight. Yeah, I'm a little tired. Hey, you don't mind if I rest on your lap? Ah, thanks. Let me just, you feel great. Janky Bogu, your face is still as beautiful as the day I first saw you. The way your hair just basked in the wind. It couldn't make this day any better. Do you like flowers?